Okay, folks, prepping for our calculator papers 2 and 3, edX on AQA, looking at how we solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So a question that I'm almost certain will come up this Wednesday, if not on your paper 3 next week. So you're on the higher tier. It says use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Give your answer correct to two different places. Step 1, write out your coefficients of a, b, and c. So a equals 3, so that's the coefficient of x squared. B equals 2, and c equals minus 4. So a is the coefficient in front of x squared. Okay, b is coefficient of x, so number in front of the x, and then c is your constant coefficient. Okay, and I can now plug this here into my formula, so which is given to you on this year's exam. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I can now plug here these values into this formula and get my answer or two solutions. Okay, remember here, it's plus or minus here because it's a quadratic. So I'm going to have minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared. So that's going to be 4 minus 4 times 3 times minus 4. 4 times 3 is 12 times minus 4 is going to be minus 48. So it's going to be plus 48. It becomes minus 48 all over 2 times 8. So that'll be 6. Okay, so yeah, let's simplify it. So I'm going to have x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 52 all over 6. Okay, so I'm going to plug it into my calculator, one with a positive root and one with a negative square root. And these are going to be my two solutions. So when I do this, what do I get? So let's just plug it into my calculator now. Okay, what do I get? So we got minus 2 plus the square root of 52 divided by 6. Press execute, format, and then decimalize it. So that's going to be 0.87. Okay, and then lastly, change that plus to a minus. Format, press decimal. Okay, and I'm going to get minus 1.54 to 2dp. Okay, that's how we solve the quadratic equation using this formula here, which is a higher tier topic only, a question that I'm almost certain will come up on your higher tier edX on Wednesday, if not on your paper 3 next week. Okay, and also AQA higher paper 2 or paper 3, and even OCR higher paper 3. Okay, thank you.